The more we play together in the key of C major, and we only have two chords, C major and G7, and do first downstroke, and then when you're ready, you can do the rhythm down, down, or down, or down, down, or down, or down, down, or down, or down. I have the track, so I'm gonna play it with the track so you have the idea. You get the idea.